Video editing course in India. If you are planning to learn video editing skills, which is a very in-demand skills in the market right now. If you learn video editing with the help of Premiere Pro, After Effects, many different graphic designing tools and AI tools also, then Career 9 Training Institute, which is located in Hyderabad, we have a very good package for you, training package, where we teach you Premiere Pro, After Effects, graphic designing tools and AI video creation and AI tools also. All these tools will help you to land into a video editor job. At the same time, we will also help you with finding and working on freelancing project. You know, video editors are in high demand. Corporate companies or digital marketing agencies also hire video editors. At the same time, companies who are doing their online marketing activities, they want to showcase their product and services in the market, and big YouTubers also need video editors. So if you are planning to learn the video editing skills this new year, then contact us by visiting this website career9.com, and you can register or enroll for a free demo class. Register in our website and our team will get back to you with all the details.